memories are increasingly stored on mobile phones, laptops, and cloud platforms, a Bengaluru-based technology company took a significant step in storing family legacies for future generations. At Sigma Hall, Hotel Chancery Pavilion on Residency Road in Bengaluru, BlueRose Technologies officially launched the LifeTree application, what it called the world's first ever digital heirloom, an innovative platform designed to help families safeguard their cherished memories, personal stories, and digital assets in one secure space. The launch event, held in the presence of industry leaders, social heads, and invited guests, also featured a live demonstration showcasing how families can preserve their legacy and remain connected across generations through technology. Co-founders Vineet Jain and Tulasidasappa interacted with the media and shared the vision behind this unique innovation. We have been joined in by BlueRose Technology co-founder Tulasidasappa. Sir, can you tell us this unique innovation and the vision behind the LifeTree?
As you know, the family remains the source of our happiness and the love what we get in the family. And as we all feel, okay, today's social media and various devices is scattered in different things, right? Very difficult to safeguard those memories, preserve those things to pass it to the next generation. But the reason we thought about LifeTree can able to add value for that. Basically, this app is free for everyone. No need to pay anything right now. As soon as like you cross that kind of a limit of GB or whatever it may be, you have to pay just the minimal fees, right? Which is like 100 rupees per month, something like that, which you can preserve your families, albums, and the family trees, and the recipes, a lot of stuff. You can write a blog, travel, whatever it may be. Right? It's a highly secured one. I think we thought about in the beginning itself to host it not in a public cloud, it's a private cloud, and it's in the server, right? I think people cannot go to do that. And most importantly, we've been testing with the hackers from past 4 months, right? Within our hacker team can able to add something else to do something, right? I think we're not able to find anything, those kind of issues or incident, people can hack our product.
So when it comes to this digital era, families are really losing their touch. So will this LifeTree get their back in track?
But I'm thinking same thing. Like for example, everyone migrated to various cities in the world, right? I think we are forgetting our own roots. As I was saying earlier, right? For example, I wanted to see where is my grandparents? How do I find that data? So this app can able to get those data through our own connections, talking to my immediate relatives, uncle, brothers, whatever it may be, right? I can get those data and feed it here. It can be passed to the next generation. Nobody can delete those data.
Which is secured for the lifetime.
Lifelong, yeah. So secured for a lifelong. Nobody can able to delete it, right? It can pass to the next generation, and a lot of storytelling and memories. And we all have memories in the school days, right? And those days, like there was no devices, no mobile, no internet, right? So somebody can tell the stories. We can put the stories back to LifeTree. It can be passed to the next generation.
We have been joined in by BlueRose Technology co-founder Vineet Jain. Sir, could you tell us about this unique innovation and the vision behind the LifeTree?
So basically, we have developed a platform called LifeTree. This is a family legacy platform. In this platform, you can come document all your family history. You can build your family tree, and we have more than 20 features which you can utilize, including you can store your old recipes, you can store data about your ancestors, current people, you can know the relationship between your different people. I can know how I am related to everybody. I can also have fun in that. I can have quizzes, I can have games and festival information. I can have blogs. So there's a lot of features which we have built in, which a family will need to preserve their history, come together and celebrate their family and know better about their family.
So when we are uploading the data, is the consumer data is secured?
Yes, data is secured because we are not into data selling or ad. We basically have the business model whereby after a certain limit, it's a free app, but after a certain limit, you have to pay very, very minimal nominal amount. So we have a business business model to support it. So your data is secure.
Okay. In this digital era, I think people are losing their touch with their families. They don't even communicate. There is no social interaction. So will this live tree bring people into the track?
Yes, one of the reasons why people are not communicating because is they don't know about them. So this will help people understand each other better, know where they are, what they do, and when they plan activities together, then things will happen. It will break the ice. I think they need to start thinking about their families more. We are getting disconnected from the families. They need to think about the families. There's a lot of value in the family. Even West is going towards the families now. So we need to not ignore them. They are your strength. And this is a good app to use to basically start building that strength, bond.
So what is the biggest advantage of using this live tree app?
Your number one family data you can document, preserve it, and cherish it. If I'm sitting, I can within 2 minutes I can see my complete family history.
Ma'am, can you tell us about live tree application? What is all about?
Okay, so LiveTree is the world's first digital heirloom, where it's a one-of-a-kind platform where families can come together, build meaningful relationships, document all of their traditions, their festivals, their culture, and every single thing about their family can be privately and safely documented on our platform.
Okay. What are the biggest advantage for consumers downloading this app?
So for consumers, I would say in an age where your data is being sold to large corporations and you get a lot of unwanted spam calls, if you share your number with one person, it's like a whole network has it. We don't do that. We are a 100% private and safe platform, only meant for families, where you can safely interact with your family members in a controlled environment, and you can also get more context and more meaning about your family. All the information about your family is safely documented. So our core ethos is privacy first. Your data will always be yours. You can upload any kind of document very safely, be it your property, your will, your Aadhaar, any private and confidential documents will only be yours, and it is easily accessible and timely accessible, more importantly.
So when it comes to subscription, is the consumer need to pay something?
So it is a free app at its very core, but we do have, so the more your family expands, the more trees you want to create or the more data you want to upload, you will be charged a very small cost.
I'm a foodie, and I feel LiveTree will do one very interesting thing, is to bring all the heirloom recipes all documented, not only for the present generation but even for the future generations to come. And apart from that, creating relationships, I think it's something very, very interesting. Oh, definitely, it does, because in the digital app, people are all in with their laptops. Now the AI has also come in, so it's just losing touch. The relationships and the bond is also sort of turning digital, and I think that's what this LiveTree is going to do. Make at least people bond through digitally.